Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you received an item that's damaged or not as described. You may be eligible for a refund, but you must act within the protection window or timeline. Don't confirm the order as completed yet. Just wait and basically check everything is fine. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually request a refund on Vinted app or website in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, if you are using iOS or even Android, go to the Vinted app. Open it, make sure everything is looking good, log in and all of this. But for today, I'm gonna go to the Vinted.com website. All we're gonna do is go to Vinted.com, then come here, log in using your email address and password. Then for example, let's say you bought or basically you took this one. Okay, for example, you bought this one. Everything is looking good. We're gonna go to the inbox. So on the inbox section, open the completed order, then tap report a problem. Select your issue, then upload any clear photos as proof. Then you can submit your refund request. So what happens next? The seller can respond. If needed, Vinted will review the case and basically tell you what's going on. You should take photos immediately after the delivery. Keep packaging until the basically conversation fully resolved. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.